Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make an easy pancakes for breakfast. Let's get started. In a bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Mix all these dry ingredients together. After all the dry ingredients have been mixed, add in a cup of milk. Beat the egg and add. And lastly, add the oil. In a high-medium heat pan, pour in or scoop a quarter of a cup of the batter. When the edges are brown and the bubbles formed at the center, you may start to flip them in. Now your pancakes are ready to serve with your favorite honey and butter. Enjoy!